This is part three of going over Calculus Worksheet 6.5. Part 3. Here it is, problem 4. And the first step is to factor the denominator. Well, this one's already factored, okay? Here we go. Kind of nice for us. It's hard enough. Okay, here it is. It's already factored. There's the 3 factors. Now, the next step is to write it into the sum of 3 fractions. Well, here we go. We'll put A over the first factor, x minus 3, B over the second factor, 2x plus 1, C over the third factor, 3x minus 1. Now, what are you going to do now? Yeah, we don't like fractions, so you're going to multiply every term. I see 4 terms there. You're going to multiply every term by this, by the denominator. Multiply every term by that, and here's what it looks like you're going to get. Hey, over on this one, you're only going to have 26x squared minus 22x left. On this one, the x minus 3 would cancel out. You're going to get a times 2x plus 1 times 3x minus 1 plus b times x minus 3 and 3x minus 1 plus c times x minus 3 times 2x plus 1. There it is. Okay, now what we need to do is we need to plug into this equation. Let's put that up there. We need to plug into this equation, one at a time, the numbers that will make our denominators equal to 0. The number that will make these denominators equal to 0. So first of all, the first one, x minus 3 equals 0. Add 3 to both sides, x equals 3. Okay, plug it in. Here we go into our green equation. Here it is, 26 times 3 squared minus 22 times 3 equals, we've got a times, that's going to be 2 times 3 plus 1. That's going to be 3 times 3 minus 1. Now, there's going to be no b's and no c's, because when you plug 3 in, you're going to get 3 minus 3 is 0, no b's. 3 minus 3 is 0, no c's. So let's see what we got. Let's do that in the calc. 26 times 3 squared minus 22, 3. Here we go. Get over here. Great. Okay, 26 times 3 squared minus 22 times 3. There it is, 168. Okay, 168 equals a times, that's going to be 7. That's going to be 8. Okay, 168 equals, what's that, 56? 56a. Divide through by 56. Divide through by 56. Oh, nice. There it is. A equals 3. So we got the a term. Now let's get the next one. Take this one right here. Set 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, here we go. 2x plus 1, set it equal to 0. 2x equals negative 1. Divide through, x equals negative 1/2. There it is. Plug that into our green equation. Let's see what we got. 26 negative 1/2. Okay. Negative 1/2 quantity squared minus 22 times a negative 1/2 equals, now there's going to be no a's, because when you plug negative 1/2 into the 2x plus 1, you get 0. There is going to be b's. It's going to be b times negative 1/2 minus 3. And then here it's going to be 3 times negative 1/2 minus 1. There's going to be no c's. When you plug negative 1/2 into the c area, you're going to get 0. Okay, let's see what we got here. Here's what I see we have. That's going to be 1/4 positive, so that's going to be 26 over 4. This is going to be plus 11 equals, this is going to be b, this is going to be negative 3.5. And this is going to be, let's see, that's a negative 1.5. That's going to be a minus 2.5. Okay, here we go. Let's get some numbers here. 26 over 4 plus 11. Okay, parenthesis, 26 over 4, good, then plus 11. Good, 17.5. 17.5 equals b times negative 3.5, negative 2.5. Negative 3.5 times negative 2.5. Nice, 875. 8.75, great. Here we go. Divide by 875. Let's see what we got. Okay, probably 2. Yeah, I think that's what it is. 17.5 divided by 875. There it is, 2. B equals 2. Nice. Okay. Let's plug now. Find out what value will make 3x minus 1 equal 0. Let's get another color. Let's go right here. 3x minus 1 equals 0. Okay. Move it up a little bit. There we go so we could see it. Okay. 3x equals 1. X equals 1/3. Plug that into our green equation. Here it is. 26. We've got 1/3 squared minus 22 times 1/3. Okay, good. Equals, there's going to be no A terms, no B terms. There's only going to be C terms. Here it is. We've got 1/3 minus 3. And we've got 2 times 1/3. There it is. 2 times 1/3 plus 1. Okay, so that's going to be 26 over 9 minus 22 over 3 equals C. Let's see. This is going to be a negative 2.66. We'll do some decimals there. That's going to be 2/3 plus 1. That's going to be 1.66. Okay. Okay, here we go. Let's do this side on the first one. 26 over 9 minus 22 over 3. Okay, 26 over 9, good, minus parenthesis 22 over 3. Nice, there it is, negative 4.444. Negative 4.44 repeating equals, let's see, negative 2.66 times 1.66. Negative 2.6666 times 1.66666. Boom, there it is. Negative 4.4444. Negative 4.44 repeating. Dividing by both sides. 1 equals C. Okay, now we got our A, B, and C. Let's write our problem. Okay. Okay, here we go. I'm going to have to do it over on the left side. There we go. Let's go up. Okay. Here we go. I'm going to do it right over in here. Okay, here we go. Our problem looks like this. It's the integral of, okay, what's our A term? Our A term is 3, so it's going to be 3 over x minus 3 plus the integral. What's the b term? The b term is 2. So it's going to be, there we go, 2 over 2x plus 1 plus the integral. What's the c term? The c term was 1. So it's going to be 1 over 3x minus 1. Now, do your integral. Okay? Okay, here we go. First of all, bring the 3 down in front. Hey, the integral of 1 over x minus 3, that's going to be natural log of x minus 3. Plus, bring the 2 down in front. Hey, you're going to have on this one, you're going to have 1/2 natural log of 2x plus 1. Plus, okay, that's just going to be 1 down in front. That's going to be 1/3 natural log of 3x minus 1. Don't forget the plus c. If you want to, 2 times 1/2 is just 1. There it is. There it is, our answer for number 4. That wraps it up on worksheet 6.5.